Genetic algorithms mimics natural selection and evolution. To implement genetic algorithms, we need to represent individuals in the population. Such representation method is known as chromosome encoding. In this video, we discuss about various ways to perform chromosome encoding. Implementation of genetic algorithm begins with initialization of population. After initialization of this population, chromosome encoding has to be performed to encode the individuals in the population in some format. Various genetic operators are encoding techniques, selection, crossover, and mutation. Encoding, the process of representing a solution in the form of a string. Solution means the individuals in the population. Various encoding schemes are binary encoding, real valued encoding, order encoding, and tree encoding. As the name indicates, in binary encoding, individuals in the populations are represented as binary strings. Chromosome is represented by a string of binary bits. For example, individual 1 and individual 2 are in the population and they are represented using binary encoding as so. 0, 1, 0, so. To implement some problems in genetic algorithms, we have to select better encoding mechanism for that problem. For example, in knapsack problem, here we are having a knapsack of maximum weight 50 and 3 items are here. We have to select items such that it never exceeds the maximum capacity of the knapsack. For example, here binary encoding mechanism is suitable. But here 1 means item is selected, 0 means item is not selected. So what are the various solutions possible? We can select 1, we can discard 2, we can select 3. So 101 means we selected item 1, we discarded item 2 and we selected item 3. In 011 means we have excluded item 1 and we have selected item 2 and item 3. Consider another example in choice spot where binary encoding scheme can be applicable. Given the particular weather conditions, we have to decide whether we can play on that particular day. How genetic algorithm can be applied here? Genetic algorithm can be applied to find the best hypothesis. We are considering two attributes, outlook and wind. Outlook can have three values, sunny, rainy, and overcast. Wind can have two values, normal or strong. Outlook can be represented as a string of 3 bits. For example, 010 represent outlook equal to rainy. 011 represent outlook equal to rainy or overcast. 01110 represent outlook equal to rainy or overcast and wind equal to normal. So in this example, the population contains hypothesis. 10010 represents if outlook equal to sunny and wind equal to normal, then play 10 is equal to S. In this scheme, in this example, hypothesis can be represented as a binary string which represent outlook value, wind value and the play 10 is outcome value. What does the 0110101 means? This is a hypothesis. 011 means if outlook can be rainy or overcast and wind can be strong, then 01 means we cannot play on that condition. Order encoding or permutation encoding. What is permutation? Permutation means arrangement of elements. Here the solution or individual can be represented by an order of elements. In which situations this order encoding is suitable? Consider this example of traveling salesman's problem. So what is traveling salesman's problem? Visit all the cities. We have to perform a tour. Under the conditions, we have to visit all the cities We have to visit each city only once. Starting and ending city should be same. This chromosome can be represented as an order in which cities are visited. For example, we consider 5 cities: 1, 3, 4, 2, 5. What are the other permutations possible? We can go with 1, 4, 3, 2, 5. Or another way of visiting cities can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another method is real value encoding. In case of binary encoding, we can use only zeros and ones. Real value encoding means we can encode genes using any values in the real number system. For example, 5.28 minus 475.36. Consider which situation this real value encoding is possible. For example, we have to find we are given a function f of xy, and we have to find the values xy which maximizes the function. So the values x and y can be represented like this. X can be 5.28 and y can be minus 475.36. In tree encoding, every chromosome is a tree. Tree encoding is typically used to encode programs and expressions for genetic programming. So what is genetic programming? Genetic programming is evolving programs automatically by applying genetic algorithm. For understanding more, listen to videos of genetic programming. Here the formula a plus b minus 4 can be encoded as a tree. A parse tree can be used to represent this expression. By traversing this parse tree, we get various representation. We have to identify in which situation tree encoding can be applicable. Let's consider some example, finding a function from given values. The problem statement is like this: some input and output values are given. Task is to find a function which will give the best output to all inputs. We are given with some input and corresponding output. We have to find the underlying function that gives the result. So we can try with various functions, and which function gives the best result can be selected. For example, we are considering two functions, x divided by y plus 3, another function y exponent 2 minus x. So this expressions can be represented as a tree encoding mechanism. X minus, so by performing this traversing we get this result. Another example of tree encoding is representing program as tree. In the example of enjoy sport, a hypothesis is if outlook equal to sunny and wind equal to normal, then we can play. Otherwise, we cannot play. Can be encoded as a tree. The program elements are represented as nodes and branches. Here this if else a decision making condition is here. This when we traverse this encoding tree representation, we get if outlook equal to sunny and wind equal to normal, then we can play. Otherwise we cannot play.